Hey guys, Shari Sweet here. I'm here with a new setup. As you can see, I'm going to do a little different of a video than I normally do. Long story short, I have a bad habit of shopping a lot. I'm trying to do better, but I figured I recently ordered a lot of stuff, which I shouldn't have. And I'll just go through a bunch of things with you, show you guys what I recently bought, and then also sometimes I buy things if I have them for a while. A lot of them I don't wear and I sell them either on my eBay or my Poshmark. So I'll leave those links below for you guys if you're interested in seeing what I have listed already. And if there's anything I decide to put up from this video, I'll put it up for you guys. But here is a haul. I'm including a bunch of brands. I have things from, let me grab them. I got some stuff from Fashion Nova, Forever 21, Missguided, PrettyLittleThing, a blank box with no label, so we'll see what that is. And I got two boxes from DSW, this one and this one. I want to go over, show you guys what I bought, how they fit me. So let's get started, shall we? Okay, so I put up my little backdrop so you can see I had little issues, little crinkles in the paper, but ignore that. I just put that up just to give you guys like a blank canvas, so when it is time for me to try things on, hopefully you'll see it nice and clearly. So I just opened all the packages. Yeah, I did not look at anything, so I'm just going to go through store by store what I bought, and then I'll put in clips of me trying them on. So I ordered some shoes from DSW. I think it was about 4 pairs. Well, I ordered 3, and then the next week or so I ordered 1 more. So hopefully they all came. Oh yeah, this first big box has 3, so that other one has the 4th one. So I got 4 pairs of shoes. The first one is from Steve Madden. Oh my gosh, these I love. I was eyeing these for a while. These I got in a size 8.5, which is my typical size, so hopefully it fits. But it's these beautiful mustard yellow open back chunky heel shoe. And I'll list the style name for you guys of everything that I'm trying on, whether I post it or not. Let me see if I find a receipt. Esmeralda sandal. They look like so. Bomb. I really hope they fit. I love the color, and hopefully they're easy to walk in. The next shoe I got is from Madden Girl. These are so cute. These are like, what do you call these? Weaved cognac sandals, again with the chunky heel. I thought these were super cute. So I'll try those on for you guys. With this, I saw some mixed reviews. Like some people said it fell apart quickly, but I just wanted to take the chance. So you'll see how those look on the feet. Another cute shoe for the spring. These are by Coconuts by Matisse. So these are some cute cutout booties that I wanted. I eyed them. I saw them like in a brown. I forgot the texture of it, but if I can find a picture, I'll insert it. I wanted them so bad. I remember some months ago, it was like one of the last pairs left. I was checking out, went to submit my payment, and they're like, oh, just kidding, it's out of stock. When I tell you I was sick, honey, I was tight. Anyway, I missed those, so I'm like, you know what, let me just get them in black, because I feel like if I don't, I'll regret it. And this is how they look. These black cutout booties. Super cute, different from what I typically wear, but I'm like, let me try something different. And then these, I've saw in the reviews people wear with socks, but you can wear it without. Have your little cutout feet showing. Maybe like a good transition shoe, more so for like, if it's like a cooler spring day or like a fall, this will be perfect. This is my first pair of Vans. I never had any before, and these are just basic black ones. And here's how they're so comfortable and everything. So I was like, let me try them out. This one has the suede on the top, around the shoelaces, and on the back, and then on the side is the canvas style. So these are the plain black Vans. I have another random brown box. I'm not sure what's in this one, but let's see. I've used this set before, but they had a sale on their site and I was running low because I use this like every day. This includes the Truth Serum, the Banana Bright Eye Cream, and the Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream that you use all over the face. So this, quick little plug, not clothing or shoes, but I recently bought it. Nice full size. I literally have like 1 more use of my face cream and then I'll be done, but I have like a little less than half of my serum, and I have a decent amount of the eye cream, but I typically use this in the morning time and then I use different products for night. But I'm enjoying this. Like, it keeps my face hydrated, and yeah, I enjoy it. So yeah, quick little skincare plug. So now on to the clothes. Next we'll go to Fashion Nova. I only got like 3 things from them if I remember. So I got this cute little handbag. I actually saw this on Forever 21 site, and when I went back to buy it, it was sold out. And then I went to Fashion Nova and saw it, because you know sometimes they carry the same things. So I was like, ooh, I want to get it. So let me take out the little padding so you can see it thoroughly. So it's a cute little basket weaved bag, open like so. I'll probably get a little pouch so for my smaller things I don't risk them slipping out, but if I could find like a little tan drawstring pouch, I'll throw that in there. Or if I want to pop a color, I can do that too. And it has a little loop that you can put around this little button to hold it in place. Not fully closed obviously because the sides are still open, but I thought this was really cute, so I got this. Next from Fashion Nova, and then I got 2 pairs of jeans. This first jean is, do I have these? I hope I don't have these. We gonna see. The color at least looks similar to a pair I bought and haven't worn, because again I have a problem. So this one I'm showing you is called the Benny Boyfriend jeans, medium blue wash, and I got them in a size 7. I remember some of the reviews, I think like they were saying if you want like a baggier fit to get a bigger size. So we'll see how these fit me. But they are distressed jeans in the front, and then on the ends you can see they're distressed as well. You can see I got them in a size 7. And then the back is distressed as well. Right under the pocket, little thigh action, and then all the way down to the bottom. So they're distressed in the front and the back. Alright, let me just say thank God I got these in a size 7 because the waist is like perfect for me. It would have been way too tight if I got a 5, I'm assuming. And it took me a good 5 minutes to put this on because the holes in the front and the back, my foot kept getting stuck. Ugh. Next jean I got in my typical size at Fashion Nova I wear, which is a size 5, and this is called, I got it from my mama jeans. I think these are like mom style jeans. I love this color, it's like so simple, but like I love it. So these are, oh, this waist looks kind of small. Cute. All right, so these are straight leg jeans. They came cuffed already at the bottom, but they don't seem to be sewn, so you can roll them down if you want them flat. And then this is the back side. Again, I got these in a size 5, so I like these simple nice jeans. I hope they both fit okay. So that's what I got from Fashion Nova. Okay, these are way fitted. This one I got in the size 5. Took a little while to get up, but they're more fitted. I don't know why I thought these were like a looser fit, but down it looks like a more straight leg, high-waisted. Yeah, it's fitted, but like it's fitted up here and not as fitted in the lower leg, so this would be cute. Next, let's go to Forever 21. So I ordered these items from Forever 21. They took like over a week to come. I ordered them on the Sunday the 14th, I believe, and they came like maybe the following week Wednesday. So yeah, like a week and a half, a little longer than typical for Forever 21, but I figured since everything was coming around the same time, I practiced restraint and I didn't open anything until this video. So since I missed out on this basket weave bag that I showed you, that I ended up getting from Fashion Nova after the fact, I did get this bag. It's another crochet bag. I'll have to insert the style names because it's not listed on the actual packaging, and I'll try to leave links as well for the things if they're still in stock. I'll try to do that in the description box as well. So this is the bag, the other bag I got. This one is lined, as you can see, unlike the other one. Let me show you side by side. So this one from Forever is lined, and then this one is just the basket bag with the open weaving. This bag, a little more heavier duty, like I hope that maybe that's obvious. It has like a snap magnetic closure. Oh, a little inside pocket. And then, yeah, it's lined, a small bag, but this is also cute for the spring, summer, if you want to bring this, you know, out. So let me show you some of the stitching. You can actually see it's intact, but because it's not like lined from the outside, you can see it. I don't mind, hopefully nobody's really looking. I mean, maybe if they nosy, they'll be looking that close. I'm just looking at the detail. This one probably came like a little bit loose. But yeah, this is the bag. Figured it's cute. Oh, I think think it's my little hoochie top. So this one is a cotton top. It was a cutout little keyhole circle up top, and this portion goes across the boobs. I'll try to find the model picture so you can see exactly how it looked. I'm not sure if I'm going to try this on for you guys, but this is basically what it is. It's pretty thin. The brand, it doesn't even say Forever 21. It's actually Public, P-U-B-L-K, and I got this in a size medium. And then this goes under the boob. So we have the top hole. I believe it fits close to the neck. This part kind of goes on the boob, and then this part goes under the boob. So you're going to have a little under boob showing. So yeah, maybe I'll wear that with one of my new jeans if it fits me right, but that's that top. Next, we have a white bathing suit top that I thought was very cute. And I have white bottoms, so I didn't bother to buy bottoms because I have white bottoms and I have colored bottoms as well. Sometimes I like to do a white top with a colored bottom. So I have that, and then this, more boob action. I got this in a size medium. And this is like a lace up for the middle of the boob, so you see like a little bit of cleavage but not too much. And then you can also, you have a lot of lace here, so you can tighten it nice and tight so it's not too much, or you can have it like nice and loose so you have a little bit more showing. So at your discretion, but I got this in a size medium. Next, from Forever, I got this I think it was a crop t-shirt, but I thought this was cute. Oh, it looks so small. This is a medium, but it looks still maybe like a baby tee. I think that was the style of it. I think the girl had like a not tied, but this is the shirt. I just like the pattern. It was simple, same thing on the back with like an off-white neckline and like short sleeves, but this is it. And I got this, like I said, size medium. This was a tie-dye halter top bodysuit. It didn't look as pigmented on the website, but I like that it is so pigmented. This was a tie-dye halter top bodysuit, so the back is out. This goes around the neck, and then there is snap closures on the bottom. You'll see. So I like those. I like the snaps. I hate when it's like all one piece, because if I have to, I'm out and have to go to the bathroom. Well, first of all, if I have on a bodysuit, like I try my hardest not to go to the bathroom if I can, but obviously if I need to go, I'm gonna go. But yeah, I thought this was super cute and simple for spring or summer. Next, I got these basket weave like earrings. They're from Forever 21 as well. I thought these were super cute. I didn't realize they were that big, obviously. I don't usually, sometimes I do, but I don't usually check measurements. But these are some cute earrings. Has some orange in it, gold, and then the weaving looks like a dark hunter green with some beading. I hope it's picking up nicely. But yeah. So the rest of the things I got from Forever are accessories. And that includes this leopard print. This is really soft. I like this. This leopard print headband. Just a little tie around headband. It does have a cute little holder, or like, you know, wrap in the middle, so if you wanted to flare it out like a little bow across your head, you can do that. So I got this. I got this cognac color braided belt that I plan to wear around some of my bigger dresses, or like if I just want to cinch it at the waist, or I can wear it like around my waist like a regular belt. So I thought this was nice. I love these little weaved ones. A pack of bobby pins for my hair. 2 cases of these scrunchies, and I think there's 24 in each. But yeah, you always need scrunchies. I got these other cute earrings. I love wearing cute playful earrings for work. Ooh, there we go. So I thought those are really adorable. Next, we're gonna go over what I got from Missguided. I love the colors in this shirt. It's like a very pretty heavy duty. It's a denim shirt with this pastel colors, long sleeve. Hopefully it fits right, because the last long sleeve shirt dress I bought from Missguided was not it. So we'll see. It looks a little big, which it should be, but like extra big. So we'll see. But yeah, I love the colors in this, so that's what drew me to this. Next, from Missguided, I got this neon mesh top. Just a simple mesh top. There's a color coming off, hopefully. It's like a tennis ball green. This floral, ruffly, cute like springtime top. It looks a little like it could be a little crop, but it has like a tie at the top. And yeah, they're just laughing in there all out. I just got 4 things from Missguided. The last thing I got was just a black bathing suit bottom. Oh, I forgot to mention the sizes. So the bathing suit bottom, this is a size 6. It's like a high cut one with these 2 little bands. So thought it was cute. Lastly, I have items from PrettyLittleThing. So I saw this jacket, and something about it, I was just like, this is so freaking cute. It's like an oversized blue and red plaid jacket with that kind of, I don't know what you call it. Hopefully it's not too big. It's oversized and I got a small because I usually get my jackets a little bigger than what I usually wear because I don't like jackets tight, especially if you're layering. But yeah, I got this small and you can tell it's like big. So this will be good when it gets cold again. Thought it was super cute. I really hope this fits because I freaking love it. This is everything. A cute little denim bustier kind of deal. So it looks like this in the front. 2 zipper pockets. Is it actually pockets? Not that I put anything in it. No, it's fake pockets, but the zippers do work. Cute. And it has like a little buckle belt around the waist. The bottom you have your 2 little points, and then the back is just a zippered back. So this I had to get a size bigger than what I normally get. I had to get a size bigger than I normally get because they didn't have my size, which is typically a 6. So I got this in a US 8. So yeah, we'll see. I'll be very disappointed if that don't fit. I have the legend, Mr. Marley. Oh, that is so cute. Zion Roots wear. So whoever made this knows what it is. They're all about that life. So for my background, my heritage, I had to represent a black tee with a picture of Bob Marley on the front, short sleeve, and it's plain on the back. And they also had this in white, but I decided to get it in black. This I had in my save list for a while. I had it, I know, in other colors too, but I saw this one and I was like, oh, this is really cute. This is the Neon Lime Oversized Zip Front Sweater. I got this in a size small because, again, it was oversized. So it has a little, it's a half zip top, so you can wear it straight up, like a funnel neck, or you can fold it down and, you know, alter the zipper. It has front pockets, and then the bottom has an elastic band, so it'll cinch. These sleeves, nice long sleeves, kind of full, like, what do you call it? Puffy sleeves somewhat, and they have pockets on the side. Oh, it is a real little pocket on the side, so lime green, and then the zipper accents are black. And yeah, you have the zipper on your left sleeve. I just want to quickly mention that this does have like a little bit of a fleece lining, so this is definitely for, it's in the, yeah, it's all inside in the sleeves and the torso, because sometimes it's different all over. But yeah, this will be very comfortable for those chilly days, chilly nights. I was hyped for this package to come. The PrettyLittleThing typically takes a while to come. I feel like Missguided does too, at least for me, because I'm in the US, they're in the UK, customs, all that stuff. So these came quicker than I anticipated, so I'm happy about that. These, I had them in brown in my cart too, but I saw they had gray and I was like, oh, I like this. So these are that kind of material, like windbreaker style pants, and they are gray. This is the charcoal contrast panel pocket shell jogger. I got these in a size US 6, UK 10. Elastic waist. There's no drawstring or anything. So this is the front, and it's lighter gray panels on the side with pockets. They don't have any closure material, no velcro or anything, just open little flap pockets, and then they cinch at the ankle as well. I got 2 of the tops in the, they're the same tops, one in black, this one here. So it's like a little, I thought this would be a little longer actually. I feel like it was longer on the model, but I thought these were cute. It's like a little bandeau crop top, and they have sleeves on the side, but the top is open. So I got this in black. That's a size US 6, and then I got the same top in it looks off-white, not really white. I think it is, it says white though. White Slinky Bardot long sleeve crop top, also in a size 6. So hopefully these fit me nice. I thought they'd be cute with some high waist jeans that I already have. So, Lord, it's a lot of crap. That is everything. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this video isn't too long. It probably will be. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, anything I missed, I forgot to mention, or that's not in the description box, feel free to ask. I'll be happy to answer. Yeah, thank you for watching, guys.